As part of their new architecturally designed coastal view retirement village on the Tahunanui Hills in Nelson, Qestral Corporation Ltd sought a retaining wall solution that would optimise the land they had available, while adding to the aesthetics of their new generation retirement village. With construction to commence at the start of winter, contractors Schick Civil Construction and engineers Oricon approached Cirtex regarding the construction of 3 MagnumStone retaining walls. With the possibility of different design methods being required, MagnumStone gravity walls provided the ideal solution in areas of the site where a low-height, in-cut retaining wall was to be installed. For higher walls, where more fill was necessary, the MagnumStone gravity system could easily transition to the more cost-effective mechanically stabilised earth solution, made easier by the availability of high-quality, locally sourced fill. Each retaining wall had unique design requirements, yet all walls required their finished aesthetics to be consistent throughout the site. Approximately 60 metres and 80 metres in length, the 2 smaller gravity walls with extenders allowed for shorter tieback length compared to the height of the wall. At 186 metres long, with a design height ranging from 0.5 to 3.7 metres high, the third wall also included a 3.3 metre wide, 37 metre long ramp. A gravity wall was initially considered, however due to the height of the wall, the tiered MagnumStone MSC design option with a 3 metre strata grid tieback proved more cost effective. Owing to a wet winter, Schick Civil Construction were challenged with extreme rain and saturated site material. Speed, ease of construction, and the flexibility of the MagnumStone system meant the clean transition between gravity and MSC design methods did not disrupt the overall aesthetic. With the help of Cirtex's custom designed gravity clamp, the walls were completed using 150mm capping blocks, creating a tidy, continuous top edge along the entire structure. Desiring an aesthetically pleasing retaining wall system that could be built during winter in challenging conditions, Qestral Corporation Ltd along with Cirtex, Oricon and Schick Civil Construction were able to successfully maximise land use and keep construction going by using the MagnumStone system. Once complete, the village residents will soon enjoy the benefits of the beautiful coastal view.